Hi everyone, this is Bryn. Today we're looking at a GoPro accessory called the handler. It's a floating handle grip. It's got a thumbscrew connection on the top which allows you to attach any model GoPro camera. It has a nice soft foam handle grip. It's very lightweight and it has an elastic wrist strap to make it even more secure. It's perfect for activities like surfing or kayaking and numerous other water-based activities. I did a test a couple of days ago on the water, so let's check that out. Okay, so you can see from that simple test that the handler floats very well. If you'd like to purchase the handler, you can get it direct from the GoPro website or from an online or local GoPro reseller. It comes in a pack that also includes the tool, which is a GoPro Thumbscrew wrench. You can use the tool to tighten up any thumbscrew so that the camera doesn't move, or undo it if it's been done up too tightly to be undone by hand. It has a hole on one end that allows you to attach it to your keyring, and it also doubles as a bottle opener. A couple of simple accessories, but they're both worth having in your GoPro gear kit.